front of me is Amazon Fire 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and click on Pair New Device. After that, wait for available ones and click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up to show up and when it does, select Pair. Now you need to wait for the other device, in my case Galaxy, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on the device over here and choosing Forget, then confirming your choice in Forget Device pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!